Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, we are solving FSC Part 2 Annual Paper of 2021 Federal Board, and this is its question number 6. We have to find equation of straight line. Equation of line passing through intersection of two given lines and making equal intercepts on both axes. So this is given. We have to find equation of line. Let's begin.
Solution begins. First we write what is required. Equation of line is required. We name that line L. So equation of line L is required. Now what is given? Two lines are given. X plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This we name L1. And 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 is L2. As we know that required line passes through intersection of these two lines, we first find point of intersection of these two lines. So for that we first name them 1, 2 and we will subtract 2 from 1. Subtraction is being done. X plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. We rewrite them and we change sign of second equation. All values are positive, all will become negative and subtraction takes place. In order to equalize coefficient of y, we multiply first equation by 2. It becomes 4y minus 4y. So y coefficient become equal 4y minus 4y it becomes, and they get cancelled. And first equation coefficient of x is 2 and second equation coefficient of x is minus 3. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. So it will be minus x. And if we multiply 2 with 3 it becomes 6. 6 minus 7 will be minus 1 is equal to 0. So if x is shifted on the other side, value will be minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is the value. We put it in 1. To get the value of y in equation 1, x is replaced by minus 1 plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 we write. And we keep 2y on left side. 3 minus 1 is plus 2. We shift 2 on right side and divide both sides by 2. We will have value of y minus 1. Therefore, we have x minus 1, y minus 1 is point of intersection of equation 1 and 2 are lines 1, L1 and L2. Point of intersection is found. Now, required line L passes through point of intersection of L1 and L2, which is minus 1, minus 1. As we don't know the slope, so we assume it as m and impose second condition to get value of m. So let m be the slope of line L through minus 1, minus 1. So when line has slope is m and it passes through this point. So point slope form will help us to find its equation in terms of m. So point slope form formula of equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. x1, y1 will be minus 1, minus 1 and m is the arbitrary slope. Y minus y1, y1 is minus 1 is equal to m is arbitrary, x minus x1, x1 is also minus 1. So it will become y plus 1 is equal to m into x plus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to mx plus m. M is distributed. So in order to convert it in standard form, we shift y on right side. On right side, mx is written, y on right side is subtracted. On right side, it is written plus m, and 1 from left side shifted on right side will become minus 1 equal to 0. We name this equation steric. This steric will become required equation if m is known. In order to find m, we impose second given condition. Second given condition is making equal intercept. So we find intercept. For x intercept, we put y is equal to 0. When we put in steric y is equal to 0, we get mx minus 0 plus m minus 1 equal to 0. Mx is equal to 1 on right side positive, m on right side with negative sign. 1m is coefficient of x, it is shifted on right side. So value of x is 1 minus m by m. This is x-intercept. And for y-intercept, we put x equal to 0. When we put x equal to 0, m into 0 minus y plus m minus 1 equal to 0. And then y is shifted on the other side. So value of y is m minus 1. it is given that x and y intercepts are equal. Required line is L, so it means that x and y intercepts of L are equal, which are x and y. Value of x is 1 minus m by m. Value of y is m minus 1. Shifting m on right side, it will be multiplied. Will make m square minus m. Minus m on both sides cancelled. So m square is equal to 1. Value of m is plus minus 1. We put these two values in static to get required line. When m is equal to 1, static implies m is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Coefficient of x is 1. So y is equal to x becomes required line. Y is equal to x is one shape of static. This is one required equation with value of m equal to 1. When value of m is equal to minus 1, we put it in static. So static implies minus 1x, as static is mx. So value of m is minus 1. Minus 1x it will become. Static is mx minus y plus m minus 1. This is static. Now we substitute in it value of m equal to minus 1. So minus 1x minus y plus minus 1 value of m minus 1 equal to 0, and then it will be simplified to get this standard form equation of line L. Minus x minus y minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 will become plus minus 2. Every value is negative on left side, will be positive on right side. So x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 will be on right side. On left side, obviously, it will be 0. So these two are required equations. These two equations are satisfying given conditions. So y is equal to x is one shape of required line L, and x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the other shape. So this question is completed. It's a long question, a little complicated. Students, if you haven't subscribed my channel, you must subscribe after watching this question.